Now I'm still doing the fitting for the radiator. As you can see, the radiator is tweaked off to the side. It's lower on this side, higher on this side. And also the panels are not fitting like they should. Okay, and you can see the pink right there on that side. And then we're going to go and do it on the other side. But if you look down, you can see where the air dam is right down in here for the bottom. And the goal is to get the air dam, or let's call it a radiator box, whatever you want, to where it'll fit here, 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 right here, on this side here, and on the other side too. I think you can kind of look in there and see. That's the lower part right there, which is right here. And if I go a little higher, this is the upper part. Now I have wiring in here, I have gauges, I have cylinder head, temperature, I've got other things, and along with stock wiring, I have to make these templates fit. Then what I'll do here, and then I also have to have this part right here to be level and fitting this cutout that I made. And then what I'm going to do, of course I'll paint the whole thing black, but when I get the radiator right where I want it in position, I'm going to take an X-Acto knife here, this right here, and I'm going to contour the foam all along here to where it's thick in the back but you don't see it in the front. And then if you look on the sides, I don't know if you can see very well, but there's no sides to the air dam, and I think I will add a couple little side pieces so that the air will go right through the front and out the back. I mean, I hope it'll work that way. Without a fan, I just don't know if it's going to work that way. But it's fun. I'm sitting here, I'm listening to some 38 Special, good old time music, and I'm going to get this radiator fit perfect. And that's the fun part about working on these little bikes, is to try and get them to work where I want them to work and get them on the nuts. Now I may say a few weird American slang. On the nuts means absolutely perfect. It means just perfect. Okay? And then I had this one European guy. I said, I'm gonna go get drunk and I'm gonna rape and pillage the whole village, or whatever. And this guy was, my God, you can't do that. It's horrible. And I said, no. Rape and pillage, when American says that, it just means they're going to go tear the town up and have fun. That's all it means in that slang part of it. Anyway, sometimes I do say some weird American slang, and I just want to phrase what it is. So the air box is in about, I'd say, 90%. Now I got to fine tune it. I want to make sure all these panels fit absolutely perfect, because I painted them last year. And then all I have to do is put some black spray paint on the inside of the pieces right there, and it'll look nice. All right.